Today in this video we will learn most common English verbs in present, past, and future tense. I eat breakfast every day. I eat breakfast every day. I ate breakfast this morning. I ate breakfast this morning. I will eat breakfast tomorrow. I will eat breakfast tomorrow. I drink water after exercise. I drink water after exercise. I drank water after exercise. I drank water after exercise. I will drink water after exercise. I will drink water after exercise. I sleep 8 hours a night. I sleep 8 hours a night. I slept 8 hours last night. I slept 8 hours last night. I will sleep early tonight. I will sleep early tonight. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I woke up at 7. I woke up at 7. I will wake up at 7. I will wake up at 7. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I went to work by bus. I went to work by bus. I will go to work by bus. I will go to work by bus. I come home at 5. I come home at 5. I came home at 5. I came home at 5. I will come home at 5. I will come home at 5. I study for 1 hour. I study for 1 hour. I studied for 1 hour. I studied for 1 hour. I will study for 1 hour. I will study for 1 hour. I work in an office. I work in an office. I worked in an office. I worked in an office. I will work in an office. I will work in an office. I play football on Friday. I play football on Friday. I played football last Friday. I played football last Friday. I will play football this Friday. I will play football this Friday. I watch the news every evening. I watch the news every evening. I watched the news last evening. I watched the news last evening. I will watch the news this evening. I will watch the news this evening. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I read a book last night. I read a book last night. I will read a book tonight. I will read a book tonight. I write a diary every day. I write a diary every day. I wrote a diary yesterday. I wrote a diary yesterday. I will write a diary tomorrow. I will write a diary tomorrow.